In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN for private browsing. Think of this as a simple, clear walkthrough to get you protected in just a few minutes. Whether you're on a computer, a phone, or using a browser extension. First, you'll want to download and install the NordVPN app that matches your device. Head to the official website or your device's app store and search for the NordVPN app. Make sure it's the genuine app from the official publisher so you avoid any imitations. Choose the version that fits your platform: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and complete the installation. During setup, your device might ask for permissions, like allowing the app to add a VPN configuration. Go ahead and accept those prompts. They're necessary for the connection to work. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your Nord account. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is designed to be straightforward. You'll typically see a large Connect button, a map, and a list of available countries or servers. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to tap or click next time. To secure your connection instantly, you can use Quick Connect. This feature automatically picks a fast, reliable server for you based on factors like distance and current load. It's the easiest way to get protected with a single click or tap. If you prefer more control, you can pick a server yourself by selecting a country on the map or from the list. Choosing a nearby location usually gives you the best speeds, while selecting a specific country can help you appear as if you're browsing from that region. After you connect, the app will show a clear status indicator, and you'll know you're protected. From this point on, your internet traffic is encrypted and routed through the VPN server, which helps shield your activity from public Wi-Fi risks and keeps your browsing more private. Your IP address will appear as the server's address, adding an extra layer of anonymity. If a connection ever feels slow or unstable, just use Quick Connect again or switch to another server from the list. A different location can often improve performance. And remember, you can repeat this same process on any of your devices. The steps are essentially the same across desktop, mobile, and browser extensions. That's it. Download and install the app, log in, then Quick Connect or choose a server. You're now ready to browse more privately and securely whenever you go online.